Today we're going to be putting all the electrical into my van, or at least as much as we can do. We're starting off by putting a 2-gauge wire from the van battery to the house battery in the back. This is going to help charge our battery. We're also going to hook up the solar and then our roof vent. So let's get to it.
How you doing?
Hello, pretty good. Come out to start my Mustang up so you could hear a real car run.
Oh!
What a car. What a car. Wicked, ain't it? Come on, buddy boy. Want to race?
Oh, this piece of junk Mustang. It's so slow.
Hey, is that a new mod?
Yeah. Have you seen it yet?
Is this like for weight reduction when you're driving?
It is. Yeah, well, you don't need the tailgate unless you're actually like have stuff in there. So I take it out. Then you can put it back in. Watch out. There you go. Ow, that hurt.
So this is a Renji DC to DC charger. This is gonna make it so the wire that we ran from the van battery is gonna run through that and then into the battery bank in the back of the van. So that'll make it so that when we're driving, the engine will actually charge our van batteries. And then right here is a 1,000 watt pure sine inverter we're gonna hook up, which is gonna be wired from the van batteries to this, so we can have 110 AC power. We also have a fuse box for our DC power, and yeah, so we're just getting that hooked up now. Now I'm going to install this vent fan. It's going in the ceiling. We're going to have to cut a hole for it. To do that, I built this template that we're going to trace the inside and then cut, and then we'll slide this thing in. And kind of scary cutting in the van, but this will have to be done. we're all done working for today. We got a ton of work done. Huge shout out to David for helping. We got the solar panel and the vent fan in, and we got a lot of the electrical done. Come back for part 2 of the electrical, and thank you guys for watching. That was a good one.